আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, পড়াশোনা চ্যানেলে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আজকে আমরা চতুর্থ শ্রেণী মাই স্কুল অ্যাসেম্বলি অনুচ্ছেদ থেকে 7 পৃষ্ঠার প্রশ্ন উত্তর নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। চলো শুরু করি। Which school does Rajiv go to? Answer: Rajiv goes to Asmiya Government Primary School in Chatpur. When does the school start? Answer: the school start in the morning with the assembly. How long does every class lead the assembly in turns? Answer: every class leads the assembly for a week in turns. Write 3 activities students do in the daily assembly. Answer: below are the 3 activities for students in the daily assembly. 1. They recite from holy books. 2. They sing the national anthem. 3. They repeat the oath. What is your experience about your school assembly? Answer: in my school assembly, we gather in the school ground, pray, sing the national anthem, and listen to important announcements from our teachers. It helps us start the school with discipline and unity.